back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the new Sony camera that I got. I'm going to be using this camera for my YouTube channel. So I've received it a couple of days ago, so I just want to unbox it with you guys so that you can see what is inside. This is how it came. I haven't opened it, so I'm going to open it now so that we can all see what is inside. So before we get into today's video, if today is your first time on my channel, you're welcome. My name is Billie. On this channel we bring you varieties, recipes, lifestyles, as well as tips. I hope you enjoy your time here. If you're not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Press on the subscribe button and remember to click on that bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So let's get unboxing. I'm going to take it out. I just want you guys to see it very well. Sorry, the room is kind of a little bit dark, so I hope you guys can see. So this one is called Made for Vlogging. Made for Vlogging. Vlog camera ZV-1 is at the top. So let's open this. I'm gonna take this one out. It's a little kind of booklet. That's it. I guess this is the this is the warranty. This is the warranty. So this is the box. I'm just going to open it now. Remove this seal. Look at the seal. I'm going to remove it gradually. See? Everything is stay intact. That's it. So that's the box. So these are the booklets. You came with all these papers. Maybe a little bit of instruction on how to start to use the camera. So, and then I'll open it like that. Sorry, I hope you guys can see. So this is it. I've got this in there. This is like the microphone, like microphone. Look at that. So let's put this aside, and the box full of stuff. Got USB cable, I think so. And here the camera is there. Let me see what is inside again. So we got that is the camera battery. Okay, that is the battery in this little plastic. So let's take this away, and now this is the proper one. This is the camera. Wow, guys, look at that. So cute. So this is it. And the lens there. It's a new camera, so this is the first time I'm opening this camera. So look at that. That is the screen, and you can flip the screen around. If you want it to face you, you can rotate it towards you, and if you want it to face the other side, you can just rotate again like that. So this is going to give me a beautiful video recording. So like, look at that. And all the settings are here. I'm just going to take my time to learn this gradually, to familiarize myself with it before I can start using it. Yes, I'm going to charge this. I'm going to charge this. Charge it before I can use it. Look at that. This is going to give me a quality video. You can take photographs, you can do all sorts of things with this little cutie. Yes. Nice one, guys. What camera are you using for your vlogging? Let me know on the comment section. I just got mine. I've been using my phone to record all of my video. Now I got a beautiful camera that I'm going to be using. Yeah, that's it. That's how it came. So guys, what do you think about the camera? Do you think it's beautiful? Yeah, I think it's beautiful to me. It's a very expensive camera. It's not cheap, to be honest with you. And you know, Sony product, they are very fantastic, and quality as well. So yeah, that's it. I'm just going to take my time, go through the instruction, try to learn the buttons and all that, and then I will start giving you guys a beautiful video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, don't forget to like, share to families and friends, and remember to subscribe if you're not doing so to this channel so that you'll be part of this family. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.